Hello friends, this is Adam here at Pinnacle Motors in Martinez, California, and today I'll be showing you this beautiful 2015 Lexus Rx350, and this is going to be a clean title here, and it's already gone through smog and safety, so the tires have plenty of tread left on them, as you can see here, and they're nice Michelin tires. And we got a power assisted rear gate here, rear sonar, rear backup camera, completely leather trim, the cargo net, first aid kit in the corner right here, one touch close, so if you got the kids with you, you can just walk away, let this close up by itself. This is a non-smoker vehicle, and the interior is spotless, doesn't have any tears or rips. The passenger side is also equipped with a power seat, which is air conditioned and heated, and the controls are going to be right here in the center console. We also got sonar in the front right here, so it'll actually display how far you are from any objects on the display. Blind sign monitors on both sides, and this is a feature you can turn off. It's got great little pockets all over the vehicle, like this cup holder right here. One touch windows, memory seats, telescoping steering wheel. And as we can see, it's only got 29,849 on the miles. We got a navigation system here with voice controls, Lexus audio with XM in HD and Dolby digital sound. Convenient cup holders here in the center as well. One touch moonroof. As you can see, the lights here are LED. And underneath the engine compartment we have a very spotless motor. And I believe this is under warranty. Please call us for additional details. I really hope this video helped you out. If you guys are interested in this vehicle, please don't hesitate to give us a call. We have great financing available for first-time buyers, good credit, bad credit. We work with a lot of great credit unions and have rates as low as 2.99%. Give us a call, and I'll have any additional information in the detailed box below.